Start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large Dutch oven or pot over medium heat. Introduce a large chopped yellow onion and a finely chopped jalapeno, seeds and ribs removed, to the pot. Stir them often, basking in the aroma as they become tender over the course of about 6 minutes. Next, add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon each of dried oregano and ground cumin, half a teaspoon of sweet paprika or chili powder, a pinch of cayenne pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and a few grinds of black pepper. Allow the spices to mingle and become fragrant over the course of a minute. Pour in 4 cups of low-sodium chicken broth, 2 cans of rinsed and drained cannellini beans, and 2 cans of diced green chiles, liquid and all. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat, then lower the heat and let it simmer. Stir occasionally, allowing the broth to reduce by about half. This should take between 18 to 20 minutes. Once the broth has reduced, it's time to get mashing. Use a wooden spoon to mash some of the beans against the side of the pot. Keep mashing until the broth thickens noticeably. Now, return the pot to medium heat and stir in 2.5 to 3 cups of cooked shredded chicken and 1 cup of corn kernels. Allow them to heat through for about 3 minutes. Squeeze the juice of half a lime over the pot, then taste for seasonings. Add more salt, black pepper, and cayenne if desired. And there you have it, a pot of creamy, comforting white chicken chili, ready to serve. Dish it up in bowls and top as you like with lime wedges, shredded cheese, pickled jalapeños, diced avocado, sour cream, chopped fresh cilantro, and crushed tortilla chips. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.